Hi, I'm Emily.
The surprise is...
And this is Mike. We love the outdoors so much and like to build things, so we decided to buy our own 5 acres of raw land. We first needed to get our driveway in, but due to the long rainy season, it was a lot more time and money than we expected. But here we are today. There's a lot more to do.
So it's my first official day. I would say a full day going to the lot, trying to get some work in. And I'm so excited. What do we have going on today? Mike got me a white duck tent for my birthday. So that was the plan all along, but he surprised me with it. And we're gonna put a white duck tent on the lot. And today we're gonna figure out where we're gonna put it. Tomorrow we are renting the Kubota and some brush clearer. So I'm really excited for that too. But today's just gonna be kind of like a drop off all the tools day. So let's go check out the lot. We'll have some lunch in the car and hopefully get some shit done today. So I made it on the lot and it's sunny. So tomorrow, try to get here earlier. I'm gonna start to unpack and unload all the things that we got. Some 4x4 posts to get started on the fencing. Over there. That's our neighbor, and that's us. So we gotta kind of cover up that area. But I also want to take you guys on a short hike later on, because when we did the survey, the 2 guys that did it, they actually walked the entire perimeter of the lot, which was insane. I didn't think they would reach the top, especially back up where the mountain is, because it's like impossible. But they're so awesome. They actually paved the trail that loops halfway up, and they found a logging trail for us in the middle of our lot. It slants down, so we should be able to, you know, in the future pave a little trail that loops from over there all the way down, and then it goes all the way up, and then it follows the logging trail down to about right there, and you know, that can be a little area for something too. But this will be mostly the white duck area. Let me measure that out, buy some supplies for tomorrow's decking project, and we'll check back in a little bit. So today's the day. Waking up bright and early to go to the lot and use a Kubota, a mini excavator. I rented one for 2 days. That and like a gas-powered mulcher to kind of see if we can pave some trails. I know it's kind of like a waste of time because during the summer the grass is insanely high and you can't, you know, see anything. But once winter hits, the grass actually dies. So it's not really necessary that I need to do the grass cutter mulcher. But I really want to just kind of get an idea of where the plateaus are. Maybe flatten that lot at the top, and a regular grass mower is not going to do it. So we'll see how far I can use the mulcher, and the Kubota is like the most exciting thing ever. Oh my god. I watched some videos on how to use it yesterday. It looks pretty simple. And it's going to flatten out some areas and honestly just have fun. See how it goes. Yeah, wish me luck. So we made it early to the lot, and there's actually shade. It feels so nice right now, so I'm gonna hurry up and get started and try and find that trail all the way up. So let's get to cutting some grass until the Kubota gets here. I'm so excited. Hopefully we can get a view at the top today. I'm really, you know, even if I can't cut all that grass, I'm gonna fucking go through the weeds. See if I can make a pseudo body cam. So it might be a little wobbly, but let's get up. So the surveyors made this route last week. They saw some cougar scat. So hopefully there are no cougars today. Is that a fire hydrant? Oh, I think this is the connections like the internet. How cool is the internet? If we get internet. Fantastic. Oh my god. Holy fuck. Okay, let's go. God, I can't believe they did this. That's a fucking hike. I don't know how high we are right now, but I am out of breath. Okay, it's starting to get a little freaky because the grass is really tall. I can't really see above it. So I'm gonna keep this on in case anything happens to me. You find this, you'll know what happened. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Is there anything in there? Shit, man. Dude, I can't believe they did this. What the fuck? Ay, ay, ay. Where the fuck does this go? You kind of see the view? The mountains. Okay, let's keep going. I'm trying to stay quiet so I can hear things, but I should be loud so they don't come get me. That is a game trail. Hopefully elk. Oh my god, oh my god. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, okay. Why the fuck is a logging trail? It's supposed to be a logging trail. It's kind of flat. Oh, it must be higher. Okay. Goal is at least to make it to the logging trail. Bug. Oh, now you just see my chin. Wow! So pretty. Okay. Wait, that sucks. I mean, it doesn't suck, but I'm outside the property line. This might be where I stop today. Alright. I think we're 3/4 of the way up because this is the logging trail and that leads, it's slanted diagonally down to the campsite. And that is a whole, like, I would say like a week's worth of things to like mow down. But this will be good. We'll wait till it's winter so all of that dies down and we can easily find the trail, but I'm just really happy to find it and then to actually see the views popping out. Can you see it through the trees? Oh my god, it might be glaring from the sun, but it is just so beautiful up here. No sight of Mount Rainier. That's okay. You know, it is what it is, but I still have a feeling it's somewhere at the very top of the hill, which still has a road too, but I gotta meet the people that are bringing the mini excavator, and I don't know how long it's gonna take me to get down. So let's go get the excavator, and we'll just have to find this on another day, the view of Mount Rainier and the top of our lot. I got a little excited, and I think I went to the neighbor's lot at the top of the hill. So I'm gonna quietly go down. But I found the view, and I found Mount Rainier. Oh, we can't quite see it because I think the trees got taller, but it's peeking through. Oh, it's kind of foggy, like right there. But look at the view. Oh my god. I think the surveyor said, I'm falling. This is where the elk kind of hang out. Do you see how they're flat? That was not man-made. This is animals. Oh, and that's the cougar scat foot. Do you see it? Cougar. Babe, I feel like you'd be so proud of me because I'm directionally challenged when it comes to trails. Oi! And I am finding my way down. Woo, blackberries. Ow, blackberries. Ow. Ow. Is this right? Is this an animal trail? I might be lost. Fuck. No, this is right. Nope, this is wrong. I don't remember shaded areas. Yeah, oh, this is familiar. Yep. I mean, whoop. That's not right. Oops, that is not right. Yep, spoke way too damn soon. I jinxed myself. Let's go this way. Huh. Motherfuck. Okay. Haha, I'm lost. Wow, what an idiot. I'm an idiot. Thank the fucking gods. Just walking through my neighbor's lawn like it's no big deal. I went way deep in theirs. Do you see that? On the opposite side of that flag is our lot. Idiot. Okay, back down. The Kubota guy's here. He's like, where are you? On the top of the mountain. Can you wait like 20 minutes? Fuck. Okay. We're gonna make it down and not fall.
20 minutes later.
The excavator's here. Okay, this is the first time I'm gonna start up the Kubota by myself. And I'm just gonna practice on this little hill right here.
So I spent the next 2 days playing with the mini excavator, and I think I kind of got the hang of it. I also tried the brush cutter and really just cleared this plateau we had at the top of the hill. It wasn't really necessary for me to cut the grass, but I just wanted to try it out and get a better vision of what we can do with this area. Well, thanks for watching. We have a lot more to do on our land. Next up, we're going to try and set up the white duck tent. But first, me and Mike gotta get married. So we'll see you guys next time.